If your Android shows factory reset protection after a wipe, do not treat it like a hack challenge. This video covers the legitimate no computer recovery paths for a phone you own, using account recovery, Samsung tools, carrier verification, and authorized service. Start with a boundary. FRP exists to stop stolen device resale. A safe recovery path proves ownership through your Google account, Samsung account, recovery phone, purchase receipt, IMEI, or carrier account. APK tricks, remote unlock sellers, and stolen device methods are not part of this guide. FRP usually appears when a phone is reset before the signed-in Google account is removed. The wipe clears local data, but the account binding stays behind. On Galaxy phones, a Samsung account can add a second verification layer, so the lock is doing exactly what it was designed to do. The best starting point is Google account recovery. Enter the original Google email on the FRP screen, tap Forgot Password if needed, and use the recovery option you actually control. A backup phone, recovery email, trusted device prompt, or an older password. If Google cannot verify you automatically, the review can take longer. Galaxy owners should also check Samsung Find My Mobile. If the phone was already registered to your Samsung account and remote unlock was enabled before the lock, the unlock action can clear the lock without erasing data. Be careful not to choose erase when your goal is recovery. If the phone still opens, the cleanest fix is prevention. Remove every Google account and Samsung account before you factory reset the phone. Then run the reset from settings. That is the right path before selling, repairing, gifting, or handing a phone to someone else. When account recovery is not enough, use official channels. Pixel routes through Google, Motorola, Oppo, Xiaomi, and other brands have their own account or support portals. If the phone came from a carrier installment plan, the carrier can verify your billing account and help escalate ownership to the manufacturer. The last legitimate fallback is an authorized service request. Bring or upload a dated receipt, a matching IMEI, and government ID. It is slower than a quick internet trick, but it preserves the legal boundary and avoids malware. Free FRP APKs and remote unlock sellers are exactly where many users get burned. If nothing works, escalate in writing with the manufacturer and attach every ownership record you have. For a secondhand phone, the prior owner may need to remove the lock. If the phone might be lost or stolen, the right move is to return it through the legal owner or local authorities, not to bypass it. The full FoneTips guide has the 6 methods: the proof of ownership checklist, secondhand phone advice, and safer alternatives for screen lock problems. Scan the code or read it at phone.tips/bypassFRP without computer.